Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a form of art that allows you to create functional pieces while expressing your creativity. When you finish a project, it's common to be left with scraps that may seem insignificant. However, these leftover pieces are a treasure trove of possibilities waiting to be transformed into something unique and beautiful. Transforming timber invites you to explore the creative potential of your leftover wood, showcasing a variety of projects that cater to all skill levels. The first step in this journey is recognizing the value of your scraps. Instead of discarding those leftover pieces, consider what they can become. Each scrap of wood has its own story and potential, and with a bit of imagination, you can breathe new life into them. From small decorative items to functional furniture, the possibilities are endless. This guide will inspire you to think outside the box and see your wood scraps as an opportunity for creativity. One of the simplest yet most rewarding projects is creating rustic wooden coasters. These coasters not only protect your surfaces, but also add a warm, natural touch to your home decor. By cutting your scraps into uniform sizes and adding a protective finish, you can craft a set of coasters that showcase the beauty of the wood grain. This project is perfect for beginners and can be completed in just a few hours, making it a great way to start your journey of transformation. If you're looking for a more substantial project, consider building a small shelf. Shelves are versatile and can be used in any room of the house. With your leftover wood, you can create a floating shelf, a corner shelf, or even a decorative wall-mounted unit. This project allows you to personalize your space while making practical use of your scraps. Plus, the satisfaction of seeing your handiwork displayed on the wall is immensely rewarding. Another fun and creative idea is to make a wooden planter box, ideal for indoor or outdoor use. These boxes can house your favorite plants and herbs. By using your leftover timber, you can design a planter that complements your style and fits the space available. This project not only beautifies your surroundings, but also encourages sustainable gardening practices, allowing you to grow your own plants while showcasing your craftsmanship. For those who enjoy entertaining, a handmade serving tray can elevate your hosting game. Using your scraps, you can create a unique tray that reflects your personal style. Add handles, a decorative finish, or even engravings for a custom touch. This project is not only practical, but can also serve as a conversation starter during gatherings, showcasing your skills as a woodworker. If you want to create something special for kids, consider making wooden toys. Simple toys like building blocks or puzzles can be crafted from leftover wood and provide hours of imaginative play. This project allows you to create safe, engaging items that promote creativity and learning. Plus, it's a wonderful way to pass down the joy of woodworking to the next generation. A birdhouse is another delightful project that benefits both you and nature. Building a birdhouse not only provides shelter for our feathered friends, but also allows you to connect with the outdoors. You can customize the design to attract specific bird species, and painting it to match your garden decor adds a personal touch. This project is fulfilling and encourages a love for wildlife and nature. Creating wall art from wood scraps is a fantastic way to showcase your artistic side. Use cutouts and shapes to design a stunning piece that can become a focal point in your home. Whether you opt for geometric patterns or organic forms, this project allows for complete freedom of expression while utilizing leftover materials. The end result can be a striking addition to any wall. For a practical yet stylish option, consider crafting a jewelry box. This project can be as simple or intricate as you desire, allowing you to explore different designs and finishes. A handmade jewelry box not only serves as a functional storage solution, but also becomes a cherished keepsake. It's a wonderful way to showcase your craftsmanship while providing a beautiful place to store your accessories. Another quick and easy project is making wooden keychains or hooks. These small items can help keep your keys organized while adding a personal touch to your home. You can experiment with different shapes and finishes, making it a perfect project for beginners. Plus, they make thoughtful gifts for friends and family, showcasing your creativity and resourcefulness. If you're feeling adventurous, consider building a small bench. This project requires more time and effort, but results in a sturdy and attractive addition to your outdoor space. A handmade bench can serve as a functional seating area or a decorative accent in your garden. The sense of accomplishment that comes from creating your own furniture piece is incredibly fulfilling. Creating a photo frame is another excellent way to repurpose wood scraps. By crafting custom frames, you can showcase your favorite memories in a unique way. With a bit of sanding and staining, you can transform simple wood pieces into beautiful frames that enhance your home decor. This project allows you to combine creativity with functionality, resulting in cherished items that hold sentimental value. Lastly, consider making a wooden clock. With a clock mechanism and some creativity, you can design a unique timepiece that adds character to your home. This project combines functionality with artistic expression, resulting in a stunning piece that serves a practical purpose. Plus, it's a great conversation starter, highlighting your skills and creativity. In conclusion, transforming timber is about seeing the potential in leftover wood and using it to create beautiful, functional items. Each of these projects not only utilizes scraps, but also allows you to express your creativity and craftsmanship. By engaging in these woodworking activities, you contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle while making the most of your materials. So gather those wood scraps and let your imagination run wild. If you enjoyed exploring transforming timber, creative projects for leftover wood, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring DIY ideas. Your support helps us share even more creative projects that turn ordinary materials into extraordinary pieces. Like and share this guide with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone looking to embark on their own crafting journey. Together, we can promote sustainability and creativity in our homes, making the most of what we have